The Mafia actually stands for Meetup and Facebook International Academy. You like it? Shut up. Now, do you think I came up with the Meetup and Facebook International Academy first or with the Mafia first? Mafia. Shut up, of course, right? Mafia first, and then one day I was in Perth, this workshop that I can't even believe it was fully booked. We had 35 people there. And then I got there and one lady goes, "Is Mafia stands for Meetup and Facebook something?" I'm going, "Sure, you're so clever." Like, no, it doesn't. Like, and I said that. I said, no, actually, I don't, but can I use it? And she goes, yeah, of course. I'm like, yay. So the reason why I share this story is because a lot of my clients come to see me at the half-day workshop and they are a little bit perfectionists. I used to be a perfectionist and I had to stop it. To move to the next level, I had to stop it. And Mafia, people were asking me, why do you call it Mafia? I'm like, I don't know, because I'm Italian, and it sounds good. And then eventually it actually made sense, yeah? So trust your gut feeling, just go for it, and then things will come to you. I love that.